Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw and confirm TX hashes on Etherscan, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Ethereum wallet, start by logging into your wallet provider. Navigate to the section where you manage your account's assets. Select the asset you wish to withdraw, such as ETH or any ERC20 token. Click on the option to withdraw or send. Enter the recipient's wallet address carefully. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Choose the amount you wish to send. Review any applicable network fees, which are often displayed in ETH. Confirm your transaction details before proceeding. Once you've verified everything, click the Confirm or Send button. Your transaction will be processed on the Ethereum network. Next, visit Etherscan, a popular Ethereum blockchain explorer. In the Etherscan search bar, enter your wallet address. Press Enter to search and navigate to your wallet's page. Here, you will see a list of all incoming and outgoing transactions. Locate your recent withdrawal transaction in the list. Click on the transaction hash for details. You will be redirected to a new page displaying transaction status. Check the status to confirm whether it's pending or confirmed. You can view additional information such as gas fees and block details. If confirmed, the transaction will show as successful. Copy the transaction hash for your records if needed. This hash can also be shared with the recipient for reference. Follow these steps anytime you need to withdraw and confirm transactions on Etherscan. Being methodical ensures accuracy and peace of mind throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.